not to remember makes you think about it more.
I'll stand up straight, you measure, and you mark it on the door.
Never saw you walk on water, but I watched you mother fall.
You couldn't raise me like a father when we're choking on a child support.
Well, am I smart or just thinking really hard?
Testing for dementia too right from the very start.
And our trauma bond was tangled and taped from the VCR.
So sick to my stomach, I was force fed the fear of the dark.
And when you lose all muscle memory, forget completely how to stand. You know I won't let you forget me. I'll come convince you who I am. Make you understand. Touch and go, now you see me, now you don't.
Phantom limb affection, crave the feeling of your ghost.
Now you're forging all the symptoms that you never had supposed.
Learning to live with them said it's easier to live alone.
Sick from the soothing, drowning in dreams.
Shell shock to shelter, you'll pass in your sleep.
The thorn in my side was grown from your ground. You're never before, say never again. And when you lose all muscle memory, forget completely how to stand. You know I won't let you forget me. I'll come convince you who I am. I came to see how the world looks without me. Is it all you thought it'd be? Living in loving memory. Build me a home inside a bucket, and you're poking some holes up top so I can breathe. Knew I was lying if I had to look away. Do you think we'd be friends when we were younger? If I knew you back then, God knows who I would be. Walking the sand